Gold and silver have shown a very good swing yesterday, where we have seen both achieving the highs at 2038 and at 2325. While on the downside, the important part is the support levels on the downside played out very, very well. We have discussed in our update yesterday that 2018-2022 zone should be a very, very good support for gold, and likewise for silver. 2270-2280 zone precisely, we have seen it achieving and recovering very strongly. So now what to expect? Can we expect the bullish momentum to continue from here, or there is further drop? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. First gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel to get the latest notification. Press the bell icon as well. And yes, friends, do like, share, and comment. Your every like, comment, and share is a great motivation for me. Let's start first to look into gold. And yes, if you are not joined the channel memberships, join the channel member. Now, if you look at gold on the hourly charts, you'll find support here 10. This is 2010 2012, then this is 2014 16, and then now the support is there at 2024 25. See, 2024 25 was the resistance earlier, now it has become a support, and ultimately 2018 2022 zone is already there. Now see, it is creating higher lows, higher highs. This is a bullish channel in which gold is trying to trade. There's any point of time today, first gold has to break below 24 levels. If it trades below 24, you can expect further drop, but then 1822 should be a greater support. Now breaching this channel should call for great bears. Be watchful of. Also, one must notice sharper fall and gradual rise. Thus, we have to be careful. A breakout is awaited here. And also remember one more point. See, since till yesterday we were looking at lower highs here, it has already breached this and it is getting the resistance somewhere here. Now, any point of time today, gold is staying above 20 40 42. Not only today but as well as tomorrow. Any point of time, gold is staying below 20 40 42. We have to stay bullish for the rest of the week in gold, where we can look forward to 20 60 65 as the next targets, and beyond that we can expect a stronger rise as well. Be watchful of. Now look at hourly charts. Support levels intact here. Now 20 30 32 was the resistance. Now it has become a support here. It is trying to consolidate here in this zone and consistently delivering higher lows as well. Stochastic flat, MACD almost flat, RSI is flat as well. And the observation on the 2-hour charts remains the same. Just one moving average is crossing over here on the buy side, and this is a bullish confirmation. Thus, this also becomes a greater support zone, the 20-50-100 period moving average sitting at 2024-26 zone. Stochastic rising, MACD is bullish still, and it has still room for it to rise. RSI is also trying to trade with moderate bullish bias. Coming to 3-hour charts, likewise on the 3-hour charts, similar observation, crossover here between the 20 and 50, lower highs, higher lows, consolidation going on. We can initiate a buying entry at around 20 35 36 and expect it to move towards 40 42. That should be a greater resistance. Stochastic rising, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI flat, and similar observation here on the 4-hour charts as well. One observation on the 4-hour charts. See, despite it is staying bullish, the bullishness has got diminished with every passing candle, and it is delivering lower highs. Thus, we have to wait for it to give a breakout. A breakout is what will bring the bulls out here. Now, also remember, see the drop here, highs, then higher lows. Now, it can deliver higher highs because it will already breach this resistance. Thus, higher lows and higher highs leads to almost 20-50 levels. Be watchful of this. The stochastic rising, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI rising. Coming to daily. Before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my mentorship batch. 28 batch commenced yesterday, 29 batch is also announced. Register yourself now. Also, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Reach out to me, write an email to me, or ping me on Telegram for more details about my mentorship batch or signals channel. Also, be a part of the free Telegram channel to get live market updates. And yes, visit the platform forexfunda.com. This is my own platform. This is not a promotion. And visit the platform. There you get economic calendar, live charts, community of traders, and also you can book a call with me for any consultation or guidance. Visit the platform. Now look at daily charts on gold. See, first of all, the daily charts on gold, we have seen it earlier. See, this is how gold has been trading, and it has got the support intact from the lower end of this channel thus far. Yes, it has got its support intact. With that as support, it is trying to rise on the daily charts. Remember this fact. Now, second observation here is, right now if you look at the drop, the retracement, the drop, the retracement. Thus, it is trading in this bearish channel. But what is this bearish channel is coming from? After a stronger bullish momentum, forming a good flag and that is why I say once you see gold staying above 2040-42, just stay bullish, and then we have to wait for it to break out beyond 2060-65. If these two levels are taken any point of time today, tomorrow, or this week, just consider that gold has turned bullish and it is going to fly high and a stronger rally will be seen. Thus be watchful. Stochastic rising, MACD trying to converge crossover. See, also look at MACD here. One must notice rise, retracement. A crossover here can lead to stronger bullish momentum. RSI rising. Considering this for the day, I will recommend you to buy here at 2035-36. Wait for it to break beyond 2040-42. That is the first resistance zone, and beyond that, certainly the bullish momentum will continue. And if not today, possibly tomorrow. If 40-42 is breached, certainly we are looking forward to 52 and 60-65 levels. That is my target, and beyond that, sky is the limit. On the downside, a selling entry today is below 2024 levels. Below 2024-26 zone is where we will see the next targets at 2018-2022. That is a very, very strong support. Then 2014 and then 2010. If these levels are breached, consider that gold is crashing. It has breached the support levels and a major crash can be seen. But right now, indications are more bullish. Thus, take your trades accordingly. Now, let's have a look at silver. See, first of all, silver on the hourly charts consolidated here for multiple candles and then given a breakout. We have discussed that why 23-23-20 is a greater resistance zone. It has precisely achieved the zone here and trying to consolidate its position. And does any point of time now silver is staying above 23-25, just stay bullish. Again, we are looking forward to see this is an expanding triangle. The support levels now at 2280 are very, very, very strong. Be watchful of that. As long as 2270-80 is not taken, do not treat silver as bearish. Stochastic at bottom, MACD trying to cross over for sell, RSI trying to trade bearish. On the 2-hour charts, look at the higher highs, higher lows, trying to form a good flag. Remember, it is still trying to trade bullish. We have to watch out now. See, this was the resistance earlier, $23 levels. Now this is going to be a... Thus, if you're selling at 23, be watchful 22.95, 90, 85, 80. As long as 22.70 is not taken, do not treat silver as bearish. Again, 22.70, 80 is the zone you should watch out for, only below which we can treat this as bearish. Stochastic looking down, MACD is in green trying to converge, RSI flat. Coming to the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, it is trying to show a pullback, but it is still delivering higher lows, higher highs. We can initiate a sell entry at 2305 possibly, but this time remember, selling at 2305, we have to be a bit watchful, careful, as this is still under retracement. It is still respecting the channel here. You can see this higher lows are seen and higher highs are seen here. Where is the bottom? Around 80-90 zone for the day. Moving averages trading with divergence, bullishness, stochastic overbought, MACD is in green, RSI flat. Similar observation here on the 4-hour charts, moving averages crossing over here. Also look at the 4-hour charts, see bullishness getting diminished with these candles. It has achieved the highs and trying to show a pullback. There could be a little retracement towards 23 or 2290 levels. In fact, if you see it retracing, possibility of a recovery will also be very strong. Stochastic overbought here, MACD bullish, RSI flat. Coming to daily. Now on the daily charts, remember one point, the drop here, retracement, the drop here, retracement, it is still delivering lower highs, lower lows. We have to wait for it to break beyond 2350-60, that is the next resistance zone. Now once it stays above 2350-60, then we can confirm that silver is trying to trade with a reversal, and then 24-20 levels will be the next targets. What has happened here? It is formed lower lows, it is forming lower highs, it is trying to trade in this channel. Where is the highs of this channel? 2350. Second observation here is, see, till yesterday we have seen last week 4 candles getting a stronger push from $23 levels. Now what has happened yesterday? We have seen it delivering higher lows, higher highs. Today again it is trying to trade in this. Thus, as long as it respects this channel, we have to be careful. This is a nice bullish flag formation. Any breakout beyond 2325, 2330 levels, just stay bullish. We are looking forward to 2350 and 60. Remember, yesterday the closing was bullish. Thus today it can continue with the bullish momentum. It is just forming a little tail on the downside towards 23. It can move and then recovery can be seen. The longer the tail, the stronger will be the recovery. Stochastic overbought, MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence and bullishness, RSI rising. Thus above 2325 you can buy, expect it to move towards 2350-60 zone first target, and in fact we can look forward to 24, if not today, possibly. On the downside, selling at around 2305, expect the first target. And see, on the downside, selling at 2305, $23, 22.90, 22.80, 22.70, very very strong supports here exist for silver. If you are taking a sell entry, be watchful, put trade with a stop loss, and always put a stop loss at the entry price. Trade accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join mentorship batch webinar series signal channel, or join the free telegram channel, and visit the platform forexonda.com. Yes, see you again before the US session update. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.